So this is my mass parrot. Somewhere how he always ready to fight with Abhiya's parrot, and Abhiya's parrot bit small like in actually. So he is afraid of Mema's elder parrot, and he hides. Now Abhiya's parrot, look at the Abhiya's parrot. He just by himself get in the cage to save him, or he want. Oh, he want to get the apple to eat because apple was just fall down in the cage. So he entered in the cage and get his apple back. And while the Mema's parrot sitting up and looking there, so Abhiya's parrot get the apple, and now he is eating the apple. Let's see the response of the Mema's parrot. It is still not looks interested to come close to the. So this looks the Abhiya's parrot is a bit hungry, so he is now eating the apple. And let's see what is the reaction of Mema's parrot. Mema's parrot is a bit sitting silently upon the chair, and though it has a look, it has a persistent eye on the Abhiya's parrot, but that's fine. But the interesting thing is Abhiya's parrot still can't live without Mema's parrot. Somewhere I repeatedly come close to it, uh, just like she has attachment with her. But at the same time, she is afraid of us. So now look again look at the Mema's parrot. He is going towards the Abhiya's parrot, and Abhiya's parrot slightly afraid of it. How can he change his position? Fly and get on the other chair. So it is all the way fun activities going on between these two. So let's see what now the Mema's parrot do. Currently he's sitting. Okay, he's again now. It looks he's again planning to come towards her. And it flies, and change the chair. It flies and change the chair. Now he comes somewhat into the chair, distant from the Mema's parrot. So Abhiya's parrot is small like Ummi Abhiya, but he loves her elder sibling. So it was really fun time. Now let's see whether the Mema's parrot fly and come towards the Abhiya's parrot or not. He remains sit on the. But today they are not bit looking excited. Yesterday they were flying high on the fan, then going towards the kitchen, all that. But today they are bit very much conscious. Oh look, he again back to the same chair. The problem is he can't live without her. She can't live without her. She wants her company, but at the same time she is afraid of her also. So the both have a funny relationship, and they looks a little bit surprising. I wonder why they are today quite dormant. Yesterday both were very active, flying on the sometimes sitting on the TV, some the fan and TV, and again coming to the other fan, and then going all the way to the kitchen, and sitting on the fan, the kitchen. But I think they were a bit afraid from the yesterday's event, because when I tried to catch them yesterday, they were very much terrified. Their heartbeats were enormous. Heart was just getting out of their chest. They were so much afraid when I was catching them. Especially the Mema's parrot struggle very hard to not be catched. So I have to work very hard to catch them and then keep them back into the cage. So it was all the way interesting. Now look at this Abhiya's parrot. He can't live without Mema's parrot. They have some attachment, though. Okay, he's coming towards her, she's coming towards her, please pardon me for intermingling the gender, he and she, but as for my information, I understand they both are the she's. So she can't live without her elder sibling, but okay. nested together for they are no more interested in any hanky panky